are at the 10th edition of IEIA Open Seminar at the BIEC Bangalore.
Hi, myself Ujjwal Gupta. I am from Big Logistics. We are a freight forwarder and provide on-site services and door-to-door logistics services for domestic as well as international exhibitions. We started in 2012 and we have our offices in all metro cities. We have a very good infrastructure. We have in-house customs brokerage and we have a very strong team of professionals who have been doing this work for a very long time, a strong connection, clientele of private and government organizations.
So this is the 10th year of this Open Seminar. What exactly is happening here today?
See, this seminar is all about bringing all the stakeholders of the exhibition industry on a common platform. For us, it is an event where we get to meet old colleagues, friends, get to know about them, how they have been doing in the past. This year, it is even more so important because there have been no touch with people, physical touch. We have been in touch on WhatsApp and phones, but physical touch there has been none. So this year it is even more important. But the idea is to bring all the stakeholders on a common platform to know more about them, how they have been doing, to know more about the industry scenario, not just in India but throughout the world.
So it's a networking exercise.
Absolutely. Well,
Right. So what are the challenges that do you think are now, in future for the exhibition industry after this pandemic?
the biggest challenge is the uncertainty which the organizers as well as the exhibitors are facing. Nobody really knows what the situation will be, not months after, but after a couple of days or couple of weeks. I was in Egypt 20 days back and I was not really sure if I'll be able to travel back to Delhi without any issues. We are now in Bangalore and with the Omicron variant coming in, we're not really sure how we'll go back to Delhi, if there will be any new restrictions. In this scenario, you cannot talk to the exhibitors and request them to participate in an exhibition which is 2 months, 3 months, 6 months after, and they have to invest loads of money into this, and some of that money never really comes back. It is not refundable. So the biggest issue is uncertainty right now. Nobody knows what the situation will be, and this is the biggest thing that we have to fight.
But exhibitions are all about people. So how do you think, what is the new protocol to invite and to attract the people?
The new protocol is people have to believe once again in the industry. They have to believe that now is the time more than ever to put their trust, to put their patience, to put their money into the industry, to support each other, because it is together only that we can fight the situation. We have been doing this and we all have been generating money, generating income and feeding our teammates, enjoying, having a good time. But now is the time to invest all of the money that we generated in the past to bring together people to support each other and bring that confidence again back that the industry will do. And I'm very positive, everybody is positive, that the industry will do much better than before. But right now, we have to generate that confidence and we have to put in the money back.
Absolutely, and we wish you all the very best for the future. And may you rock and may you do many exhibitions.
Thank you very much. Thank you.